We got cops. Bad boys.
God, I can't even hear this car over that.
You're seeing this, and I didn't make it today. Just know I love you.
Street lights reflecting off the whip. I can't trip. Got me thinking about the money that's still out there to get. I've been working so
Crazy,
hard,
dude.
I'm exhausted. She gon' rub the boy back and then she give me up some pasta. Push-ups and sit-ups, trying to stay in shape. I'ma have my shirt off, jumping off the boat into the lake. Yeah, we kicking off the summer, about to make a splash. Put that time.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we got a driving video for you guys. All of my friends from Charlotte are coming down to get up to the mountains. They're driving from Charlotte to here, and we're gonna drive up to the Blue Ridge Mountains. We're probably gonna go to 181, and we're gonna drive. And I'm gonna try to keep up because I'm never as fast as they are. Don't try to be. I know I'm not as good of a driver as him, but it's gonna be a good time, and there's gonna be a lot of sick stuff to see. Wow. Such a sweet car. This dude's never on the vlog, is he?
Come on, man. Why you not put me on the vlog for? Hey, to my family, if you're seeing this video, I guess he won't even be able to put it together by the time, but you're seeing this, and I didn't make it today. Just know I love you.
That's not gonna happen. GT3 RS today, boys. Damn, a GT3.
Why you always worry about money? You got a problem. But when the check deposit, we ain't got no problem.
Yo, we got some crazy cars out here today. Look at this GT3. Oh my God. This right here is my dream car. Some nice E92s over here. 992 GT3 RS. What's up, baby?
What's up, bro?
Dude.
Hey man, I had to trailer the car up. It was kind of a fun surprise because I was planning on driving the car up, and then Hendel was delivering a car down there, and he had an open trailer. So he's like, "You want me to trailer the car up?" I'm like, "Bet."
Shout out to Hendel, dude.
Yeah, bro. R3, R5, R7, R7.
That's me.
I like the smaller car, bro.
I like the black too. It's crazy, dude.
This thing is insane.
Yeah.
The thing is, you don't want to get behind one of these cars. You see those tires? If you don't have PPF, dude, don't get behind this car because it throws shit everywhere. And then this is David's car. This shit's crazy. CSL, yeah. What's up? This is my homie Mike.
Hey Mike, I think I recognize him from some of your bullshit. No, I'm kidding.
You, bitch.
If I can't joke with my friends, that's how you know who your real friends are.
That's right, yeah.
The guys that can't take it are not your true friends.
That's right.
From right here, it looks crazy, man.
Right.
Yeah, he's got the daily out here. This G82 is his most practical car that he owns. Carbon buckets on the CSL are just a little bit different than like Alex's car, but I didn't even realize that the whole console was carbon.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, this.
In the sunlight, you can see it, right?
Yeah.
I mean, the whole thing down to this.
I know.
You know? Like, it's crazy.
We got a pretty crazy lineup right now. A lot of crazy cars.
Lineup is insane, dude. I'm
Dude,
recording right now.
Are you? You got the metas on, dude?
Yeah, bro.
I gotta get on the wave. I'm still like GoPro hat dog, like just crazy.
Quality's not great, but it's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's a post on like IG and shit. It's like a brand new fucking M3.
Yeah, but however you found this car for that price, I don't know, because usually that's clapped out car territory.
It's crazy because it was one owner, doctor in like Homestead, middle of nowhere, like South Miami.
Yeah.
And it was serviced at BMW from 0 to 150,000 miles. And he's just like, I'm done with it. Old head, garage kept. And he wanted like 24, and I'm like, listen, man, I'll give you 20, like cash. Like, we'll go to the bank right now. I'll give you 24. And he's like, okay.
Yeah.
Like, oh shit, I guess I'm buying it.
Some bills while you scrolling through some reels, pieces falling into place. Someone pinch me, is it real? My team is business minded, we've been getting to the deals. Y'all been hating secretly, man, come on, what's the deal? I don't like being held. Tell us how you really feel. Yeah, tell us how you really feel. Tell us how you really feel. Yeah, feel good. Yeah. Tryna get my wrist on freeze, need a coupe from overseas. Large estate like Mr. D's, type of shit you gotta take a step back and hit the sheesh. I'm a white boy touching paper, make me
What's up? What's up? Party Mike is a cameraman. I swear I can see. I know it probably looks like I can't, but the peripheral's crazy.
We just hit the 4th dimension. Cops. Bad boys. We're bending them corners, bro. I feel like driving a normal car, you're just gonna slide, but bro, it just like,
Yeah.
I don't know, it's crazy. I don't know. I don't even know how to explain it, bro. It just scare the living hell out of you, but make you smile like a little kid.
Hey, I've never
Alex like, yeah, I got this.
I've never smelled garbage. They're hot as hell.
Hey, it was fun. I actually pushed it a little bit. Yeah.
Dude, today's like the best day for it.
It's
there
really
was one
good.
spot with gravel in the earlier.
Yeah. There was one spot with gravel. Yeah.
How's the car feel, bro?
So fucking good, dude.
All right.
That's crazy, dude. Look. That's what happens whenever you got some 3 RS tires right here.
Cars back there. I don't know. I guess.
I almost lost around the corner. I was like, we're gonna take it 2 steps back.
What does everybody do?
When the tires get hot, they raise the pressure.
Step 2 is we talk about the different options and how you get there, right? And you have to feel comfortable with the people that you're doing business with. If it doesn't feel comfortable or it doesn't feel right to you, don't do it. You got to believe in yourself and double down on your gifts and your talent.
Mm-hmm. I like that. So, I mean, we need to figure out exactly what we want, and we kind of lay that out to you, and you can show us what that looks like, the options, I guess. You lay all that out.
Yeah, you got to figure out what's most important to you, right? Because, like, if the next time we get on the call, you're like, you know what's important to us? We need $2 million.
All right, so I just got home.
Yeah, we had to stop at Walmart. I had to buy some wrestler jeans, new pair of Hanes underwear.
I hope you guys enjoy some of the driving clips. Hope you enjoy seeing me chase a GT3 screaming at 9,000 RPMs. And hey, tune in for the next one. Peace.
Feel like Mr. Beast. Yeah. Tell us how you really feel. 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 Yeah.